Click on the link below to get price. The Blackberry Porsche Design P'9982 is a striking blend of luxury and technology, catering to those who appreciate a premium smartphone experience. From the moment you hold this device, the meticulous craftsmanship is evident. The device features a unique design with a stainless steel frame and an elegant leather back, making it not just a phone but a style statement. The 4.2-inch display offers a resolution of 1280 by 768 pixels, which, while not the largest on the market, provides vibrant colors and sharp details. Users will find that the screen is responsive, and the touch sensitivity is commendable. The P'9982 runs on Blackberry OS 10, which has improved significantly, making multitasking smoother and providing access to a variety of apps, including essential business tools. One standout feature of the P'9982 is its security. BlackBerry is renowned for its robust security protocols, and this device is no exception. Encrypted messaging and secure file sharing ensure that sensitive communications remain confidential. For professionals who prioritize privacy, this phone is an excellent choice. With 64 GB of internal storage, there's ample space for apps, photos, and documents. The device supports microSD expansion, allowing for even greater capacity. The performance, powered by a Snapdragon S4 processor and 2 GB RAM, delivers adequate speed for most tasks, although it may lag slightly when handling particularly demanding applications. The camera, while not the primary focus of this luxury phone, is satisfactory for casual photography. The 8MP rear camera captures decent images, although low-light performance could be improved. The front-facing camera is acceptable for video calls but doesn't offer the same quality as competitors. Battery life is respectable, lasting a full day with moderate usage. This makes it suitable for busy professionals who can rely on it throughout the day. Overall, the Blackberry Porsche Design P'9982 is a luxurious device that combines style, security, and functionality, making it an appealing choice for those who demand excellence in both performance and aesthetics.